Hey guys, it's Luna. And today we're going to be making cookies. I thought it would be fun to do a little bake with me today because it's my first day of theater rehearsals and I thought, you know, why not be a nice friend and bring my friends some cookies? So we're going to be making the Rachel Good Eats cashew cookie skillet, but I'm gonna make them into individual cookies so it's easier to eat. This is a pretty healthy recipe. I'm not sure if I have all the ingredients. I should have checked that. You know, we're just gonna go with the flow, improvise, and we're gonna have fun. So let's get started. I'm gonna get all the ingredients. Actually, you know, I'm gonna preheat the oven. Okay, alrighty. It says preheat oven to 325. Let's go do that, shall we? My gas is in my house right now. Alright, the oven is officially preheating, so let's get the ingredients. 1 egg. So we're doing really well right now. I got some eggs that expired May 11th. It is currently May 16th. Do you think they're still okay? I think I'm just gonna use it. Literally make all my friends sick before our show. How long after the expiration date on eggs can I eat them? That was the worst way I could have phrased that ever. Raw eggs will maintain their best quality for about 3 weeks after the sell by, use by, best by, or expiration date on the carton. We're using them. Sorry to all my friends in advance if I make you all sick. Almond milk? Oh god, I do not have that. I have almond milk, but it's really old. No. Use within 7 to 10 days. Yeah. It's gonna be a no. Pour out in the sink type situation. So now that we have no almond milk, I think I'll just use water. 1 cup almond flour. Who the hell has almond flour? 1/4 cup collagen peptides. Yeah, no. Baking soda. I got baking soda. Sea salts. No friggin' worries, guys. 1/2 bar of Eating Evolved Midnight Coconut Chocolate Bar or their dark chocolate. That'll work. Okay, here we go. Whisk egg in a large bowl. Got the bowl. So you know how Emma Chamberlain has her mini whisks? Well, I got my big whisk. Whisk the rotten egg in a bowl. Well, like, know how to do it with one hand? I'm gonna try. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, oh no. Oh god, it's gonna be crunchy. Get that out of there. I mean, that wasn't that bad. There was only 2 shells in there. All looks good. So it says whisk the egg. Does that seem whisked to you? Pour maple syrup, melted coconut oil, cashew butter, vanilla, and almond milk. Alright. I'm just gonna microwave this. Praying that I don't literally burn the house down, but here in the Luna, Montana kitchen, we like to clean up as we go. This angle's not working for me. Feeling like this is a better angle for all of us. Need 1/3 cup of that. Will this one fit in? No. Love nut butter. Hate putting things into cup measures because then you never get it all out of it, you know? What the hell? No, it works. 3 tablespoons? Jeez. Mix that in, get the nice flavor. Now it says to add our almond milk. But do we have almond milk? No. Oh, sh**. Kind of overdid it there. I'm just gonna pour a little in. You gotta stir. It can't be chunky. Has to be creamy. We need some salt. Make it salty, like me. We got the flour in there. Just give you a little good view. Okay, let's try the dough. Oh my god. That's delish. Now I'm gonna keep this right here like a real chef. Let's get a nice little cooking board out there, a little knife action. It's going really well so far. Just to fold those chocolate chips right in the dough. I thought fresh eggs were gonna give me salmonella. Can you imagine this rotten egg? Smartest parchment ever. Literally not recommending that you eat raw dough. Also don't know how long I'm supposed to bake them for. So the cookies are all done. We're just gonna pop those babies right in the oven to get nice and toasty. My friends better be grateful, let me tell you. While we wait, I have a nice salad to eat. And we're just gonna talk a little bit. I'm gonna answer the first times tag questions. Number 1, first app you check in the morning. Instagram. First foreign country you ever visited? It was either Germany or Denmark. First Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook post. Oh Lord, let's see. I'm gonna have to scroll way down on my Instagram to see this. Oh no. This was my first post on Instagram. Very vampire-esque. Honestly, for 6th grade me, like props. It could have been way worse, but it gets better. This one. Very cool hair and flower headband. You know, that was great and nice. My caption, does anyone want to hang today? I thought my hair was so cool and the headband. And came my grungy phase. If you followed my YouTube since this phase, you a OG. Ugh. First time I ever got in trouble at school. Oh no. Okay, one time I thought I was like close with a teacher in 4th grade. He was asking us to turn in our papers and I crumbled it up and threw it at his face. I got in a lot of trouble for that. It's literally so messed up. I don't know. I was the worst kid in elementary school. And then in 5th grade, I remember it was the last week of 5th grade and like me and my friend group were splitting up. We were going to different middle schools. And I just really wanted to spend time with my friend group, you know, just the last time we all had together. And this one girl passed me a note and was like, hey, can I hang out with you and your friends today? And I was like, no, like, this is our last week together, like, which, like, you know, I understand the mentality, but you don't do that, you know? Like, I don't know what I was thinking. And then the mom told the principal and called my mom, and it was kind of a disaster, but yeah, I was pretty much the worst kid in elementary school. I was a mega bitch. First boyfriend, 7th grade. My first celebrity crush was definitely Justin Bieber. I went to his concert 2 times, the same exact concert. I had Justin Bieber hats and blankets, and I had the necklace that said Believe, and then, oh my god. In 5th grade, my teacher let me put my last name as Luna Bieber. I'm not even kidding you right now. My first kiss. My first kiss was in 7th grade. My first heartbreak. You know, I broke up with the 2 boyfriends I had, so I was never really heartbroken, but my first heartbreak was finding out that Beyonce's backup dancers aren't allowed to look at her. That really ruined her for me right now. Oh, they look good. Oh my god. I don't know if they're ready. No, they're not ready. Set a timer for 3 minutes. My first job. In 8th grade, I worked for Brandy Melville in New York. I forgot about the cookies. The alarm went off and I turned it off, and I hope they didn't burn. Oh yeah, baby. I think they're ready. Okay guys, the cookies are done. I'm gonna taste test this one. She better taste good. I put a lot of effort into this. Had all the right ingredients. It definitely tastes like a healthy cookie, but I like it. Mmm. Oh, fuck. Whoa. I just dropped the whole thing in my mouth. I'm gonna film my friends' reactions now. Okay guys, they're healthy.
Whoa,
they're
what
healthy.
Kind are they? What kind are they?
They're cashew cookie skillet cookies.
Oh shit.
I have to see your reaction. It's for my video.
Oh!
That's a reaction. Thank you guys so much for watching my first bake with me. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did. If you like these types of videos, tell me what I should bake next or cook. I love you and I'll see you later. Bye.